Right, Wayne Lambert, American Honda Motor Company, and this is the Honda Talon 1000R. So this is an off-road only sport side-by-side vehicle. Let's start by talking about some of the chassis contributing. So you can see it's got really big coilover shocks with dual rate springs, and this vehicle is made to handle the roughest terrain you can throw at it. It's got almost 18 inches of travel in the front suspension, and it's got a little over 20 inches of travel in the rear. So the chassis is tuned rigidity for really good, precise driver feedback, and this thing will just let you crush through the bumps, so you can just carry speed. It's super fun. It's powered by a 999cc inline twin engine. It's got over 100 horsepower, and it's got a 6-speed dual clutch transmission, which is pretty unique in this market. Most of our competitors have a CVT.
So this one is two-seater?
Yes,
with a small trunk?
Two-seater. That's right. Two-seat version. You know, we've got really nice, supportive, comfortable seats, and overall just a really exciting vehicle that's a lot of fun to take off-road. And it's, you know, really similar to riding a dirt bike or a motocross bike, but it lets you take somebody along for the ride, and you get to share that experience.
Let's check it out from inside a little bit.
Yeah. So going to the interior, you can see we've got these supportive cut contrast bucket seats. These are the paddle shifters, and that's part of that 6-speed dual clutch transmission, which can operate fully automatically, but it also has a manual mode, so you can shift using the paddle shifters. And we always think about our passenger as well. There's a nice grab handle that they can grab onto, and standard doors and nets to give you a secure feeling when you're off-road. Comes standard with a hard roof, and just a really exciting, fun vehicle to take off-road.